We are in Tokyo, and today we are headed to Akihabara.
We went there earlier this year when we were in Tokyo. We just didn't get to spend much time there, so.
Yeah, it's a neighborhood known for like anime and tech and vending machines and bright lights, so.
So we're gonna go spend a day nerding around Akihabara.
Yeah. Rob wants to battle in, what is that called, Gundam? Here we go. What do we do? What do we do? Oh gosh, it knows we're here.
I bet these kids are so good. It's hard when you can't read things because I gotta like power up, but I don't know how.
I don't even know how to fight. Did I already die?
I know, I don't know what I'm doing. There is like a training you can do.
There's a training?
Uh-huh. I just didn't.
I need that.
Yeah. Winner, winner.
Did you win?
Yeah.
I lost so fast.
Extreme heat.
Wow. Energy burst. What does that even mean? I don't know where to put my body. There's so many people. So many of the tech stores here are like 10 floors, and every floor is just like filled with more stuff.
It's crazy.
You can buy anything at these stores: an iron, a vacuum, a microphone.
Anything.
That electronics store changed very quickly. We actually had one of these old gray Game Boys. Now people just play them for nostalgia. It's all we had as kids. Animal Crossing stuffies.
Ellen loves them.
I really like Animal Crossing. This is a crazy place. Okay, we're at a gacha machine, and they're like, I don't know, these remind me of like those gumball machines as a kid. And it tells you like kind of what you could get on the front, but it doesn't actually tell you what you get. So we're gonna pick a surprise. We found little sleeping cats, so that's what we're gonna get. All right, we have our little gacha ball. So cute. You set it on the shelf. Let's see. We just went into a card store. Rob and I like to go into card stores because we play Magic. But this card store was massive. It had way more games than just that. And there were some racy looking card games here. But now we're at the claw game store, and I don't think I've ever played a claw game, but Rob has, and I told him he has to win me something fluffy and cute. What if you won me that and I made you carry it around the rest of the world? So Rob wants a rubber ducky and I want a bunny rabbit. So I'll try and win him a rubber ducky and he'll try and win me a bunny rabbit. Here we go. Pressure's on. I don't even know what to do. What do I do? Am I good?
Oh, going for it. No.
Oh.
Going for the purple one. Oh.
Yeah, it looks good.
Did you see how it opened up right at
yes!
the end? Oh, dude, it totally got you, bro.
You had it.
Oh, I know, but it just...
But they're not, that's what they're meant to do.
Yeah.
Dang. Tokyo is known for its wild vending machine game. And Akihabara specifically, it has two that it's really well known for, and one of them is this King's Treasure Box. It is filled with pictures of really fancy things you could win. I'm sure it's not what we will get, but you just put 1,000 yen in, push the button, and you get a mystery item. I don't know what to do now. Push a button?
Start pushing buttons.
Okay, we have our item.
Oh, cool. It's actually...
We got Uno. We have a new game to play.
Actually super useful.
That's so funny. Nice. So we came to this spot we found on Google Maps. It's literally labeled weird vending machines and it's just outside the Akihabara, like main area. So let's see what we can find.
Yeah, they got mystery boxes. They got
some bugs over here.
baseballs from the batting cages. A jar with bouncy balls, dude. I would carry that everywhere. Chip stars with Luigi on it.
We are deep in this weird vending machine cave and it is dark. I had to pull out my flashlight. I don't even know what's in here. There's like, I don't know, a can of something. Oh boy.
What's that?
I don't know. Way down here, we've got like, I don't know, like some bells. There's a big bell.
How weird.
A train. Dude, a model train. The bugs are the weirdest thing. Right, our last purchase of the day is a mystery box out of the weird vending machine alley. Pick this one. We have our mystery box. It looks like there's a note on the outside, so let's see what our note. I can't read what it says out loud on the internet. Here we go.
You're all blushing.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. There's a note. We'll have to translate this one too. Again, I have a feeling it's not appropriate for the internet, so let's see what we got here. Oh, this one's an acceptable note. It talks about how the money is going towards the rebuilding of a shrine. That's nice. Okay. What do we have? Oh, Rob always reminds me on Christmas, just tear it open.
That's right. What is that?
It's a pink box.
What is wrong with the pink box? Well, what is it?
I don't know, I gotta open it. I can't read Japanese.
I bet it's cookies. We're pretty sure it's cookies.
We're pretty sure it's cookies.
Now, who doesn't love a good cookie?
Yep. So if you come to the weird vending machines, we got the mystery box that's 590 yen, and it was cookies.
How much is 590 yen?
Like $4, not even.
The $4 box cookies.
Fun though.
Do you think these bigger boxes are cookies?
I don't know.